Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're on a road trip, and what better time to show you my KN95 mask, which is effective in getting rid of over 95% of pollutants in the air, and this thing is absolutely amazing. Now I do like that I can wear it and still wear sunglasses, still wear regular glasses. The fit is very tight here, which means that humidity isn't escaping right along your nose line and isn't fogging up the glasses. A lot of the masks that don't have a tight fit are going to be fogging up your glasses, and that is not a problem with these Bonaire KN95 masks, and they do fit amazing. So let me show you a little bit more about them. Now they do have a little piece of metal here that you can form and shape around your nose. You can see the outline in stitching, really fantastic. And again, these KN95 masks will remove 95% of more pollutants from the air, really keeping you safe and healthy. They also, for me, are very comfortable because of this elastic that isn't too tight. I have a bigger face, and nobody wants a really tight piece of elastic. You can see the side profile on them. That's my wife right there. The side profile on them, they fit very well. They're sleek, sophisticated, and you know, I think the black looks good. Sometimes those light blue masks that people wear, they look like you're a patient in a hospital, and these, they just look good, I think. So anyway, folks, you're gonna wanna pick them up today. They're available on Amazon. Pick up a pack of them, and they don't take up a lot of space. You can slide them right into your pocket, and they'll just go in there. You don't even notice you have them. So I always keep one or two in the car. In fact, I'll show you right here. I do have a handful of them that I keep in the glove box, ready to go in the whatever, the console here, and they fit very good. So again, order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed, and I will note that they're quality, so these straps have never broken on me, and these are my preferred masks to wear. I think you're gonna like them. You won't be disappointed. I certainly wasn't. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.